Ég veit ekki. Welcome again. This is Vatnajökull þjóðgarður, travel center for people, and you just come and see great stuff and get ice cream. You know where to go. Here's Coffee Hall, and you can go eat food and drink beer too, get coffee, and just eat food. Here's the Cat Latte Church. If you're Cat Latte, you go here on Sunday to Francisco. Here's Livia, where you can get a drug from this drugstore. Here is Stingja, guest house. There is a room available now. You can go there and sleep. Here's Skriðaskjaman. It's a sea museum. Very cool sea stuff. Boats. Here is the police station where the bad guys go. Don't do anything wrong. Go there. Here is Vestuldóra, where you can get good clothes, very good clothes. This is Trölli, you can eat there. Here is Nýjubær, guest house, you can go sleep there. The largest company in Iceland. It's the most beautiful company ever.
Now greetings to the world. Vice of the one big gangzilla alongside Skrillex. Them for no. Ooh-wee. Mash up the place, turn up the bass and make them all have fun. How we ablaze the fire, make it fun them. We mash up the place, turn up the bass and make some sound, boy run. And we will end your week just like a Sunday. We mash up the place, turn up the bass and make them all have fun. Skrillex ablaze the fire, make it fun.
Here is Huldusteinn. There you can go see stones.
And we will end your week just like a Sunday.
Here is Bakkus, a restaurant with very good food. From the city and from there. It's just very good food. Here is Handcraft Center. There you can get cool Icelandic stuff. It is visible. They make clothes and it's open 3 days a week. It's a lobster house. And you can go eat lobster sandwich. Here's Gammastöð. That's the place where you throw trash.
like